I'm an actor. I produce and I direct. I'm a stage performer. I write songs. Nagsimula akong umarte when I was 17 years old. Actually, ayoko maging artista, pero may isang role na sa isang pelikula ng daddy ko, this All Must Be Crazy. Ako'y naimbitahan ng daddy ko. Pero at the age of 19, parang tumigil ako at bumalik ako sa pag-aaral. Well, ganun pa rin. Pinag-aralan ko pa rin yung acting. From Stanislavski to Eric Morris, method. Tapos nag-aaral ako ng photography. Nag-aaral ako kung paano gumawa ng pelikula. Nag-hands-on training ako sa kapatid ko. Hanggang nabigyan ulit ako ng isang role for Markova noong 2001. At nabigyan ako ng award sa pelikulang yun. Simula nun, pag-aartista na naging buhay ko. Of course, maabot ako sa punto na nawawalan ako ng gana. Ang nakakabalik sa akin dyan is another good project. When I encounter a good project, bumabalik yung gana mo eh. Habang ginagawa mo pa lang siya, alam mo maganda yung ginagawa mo. Bumabalik ang gana mo para umarte ulit. Yung creativity mo, yung passion mo, bumabalik. No matter what it is that you do, whether you're doing accounting, whether you're holding a camera, whether you're in front of the camera, behind the camera, whether you're in a bank, whether you're a top boss, you know, whatever it is that you do, you have to enjoy what you're doing so that you can put passion with it. Because, you know, without passion, any work is just blank. It's not as effective, it's not as productive if you don't have passion. For you to be able to put passion with what it is that you do, you have to enjoy it, you have to love it, you have to smile while doing it. If you're not smiling while you're doing what you're doing, then you might as well look for something that will make you smile for you to be able to be productive with what you do. I'm actually endorsing the Rotary Makati Club of the Philippines, their fight against polio. You can go to endpolio.org anytime so that you can be of help with the fight against polio. So, abangan niyo po yung mga pelikula ko. By December, lalabas ang Angela Mercado. By January po, 2016, lalabas po yung pelikulang ginawa ko sa Singapore, yung Unlucky Plaza, in theaters in the Philippines. At syempre, abangan niyo rin po yung Rebelde May Mga Kaso na nilikha po ni Director John Ren. Tapos kasama rin po ako sa Bituin Walang Ningning the Musical. Kasali na po ako by December, January. Mapapanood niyo po kami sa Resorts World, Newport Performing Arts Theater. So sana po, supportahan niyo mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko because I do it with a passion, I do it with love, and I do it for you. God bless. Ako po si Epi Quizon at ito po ang aking buhay.